As you know, this is the first time that we really embarked on something like this, where we involved the entire public population of South Africa. So, we're starting a very important process here, but because I think, the public has been excluded in the past, and the Nelson Mandela Foundation has really gone out of its way this year to make sure that this becomes a public celebration and that it's not limited to any particular party or group in South Africa. So we are really all excited, and we hope that when we get to Ellis Park on the 23rd of July, that we'll be able to present Madiba with 1 million birthday messages. I know there's nothing that will make him more happy than, having 1 million birthday messages sent from ordinary people in South Africa. So it's really very exciting.
You come to present the candle.
Time to go closer.
Mr. K. From Stanton, if you don't mind
From
taking it.
Take it, Stanton. Stanton. Take it.
From cell number 7.
Stanton, this way. Here we go.
Happy birthday to Madiba.
Keep it there, keep it there.
From his prison cell where he spent 18 years.
Drop it down, Stanton. Drop it down.
Gentlemen, please back here. Stanton, if you don't mind moving forward.
Okay.
Gentlemen, we're going to the left.
Just hold it. Wait for us to go first. Wait for us to go
You're doing. Emma,